A for
Ayodhya Rama,
B for
Bhargav Rama,
C for
Chinmaya Rama,
D for
Dachad Rama,
E for
Ishwar Rama,
F for
Falguna Rama,
G for
Gunatkapada Rama,
H for
Hanuman Rama,
I for
Inaya Rama,
J for
Jagadabi Rama,
K for
Kautaya Rama,
L for
Rachamana Rama,
M for
Mayataka Rama,
N for
Narahari Rama,
O for
Omkari Rama,
P for
Purushotama Rama,
Q for
Kuchalava Rama,
R for
Raghukura Rama,
S for
Sita Rama,
T for
Taraka Rama,
U for
Udata Rama,
V for V for
Vatita Rama,
W for
Vaikunta Rama,
X for
Jitendra Rama,
Y for
Yogita Rama,
Z for
Janaita Rama. Jai Shri Ram.